wakiwa katika magwanda yao mepesi.
Arene Igongona rĩa 61 rĩa Madaraka na Riria Ritabaniirio Kiharo-ini kia Masinde Muliro Kaunti-ini ya Bungoma. Ndumiriri ya Muthi arene iguru rĩa gwĩkĩrĩra harĩ Urimi hamwe na Ugitiri wa Irio Bururi-ini.
Our farmers have defied systemic and structural constraints and limitations to make a contribution to households and national food security requirements and to propel the economy into the future.
Ndumiriri-ini Yake president ni ataririe na njira nene mitaratara ya thirikari yake ya gutigirira ni yagirithia urimi wa indo ngurani guku bururi-ini hamwe na gwetha thoko ya indo cia mugunda.
We have partnered actively with farmers and other food system value chain actors such as input suppliers, producers, processors and support service providers to transform their productivity beyond subsistence and enhance the country's food security.
Na kuona kaunti-ini ino ya Bungoma ni kumwe gukoragwo gukirimwo igwa na njira nene, president ni augite ati marita thirikari ni mateaneirie mathire ma ithei cia igwa na maria makoretwo makomete kuo ma guthararia urimi wa igwa.
Kenya shillings 110 billion worth of sugar factories debts accumulated over the last 40 years. A new leasing model that will guarantee prompt payment for cane deliveries by farmers, timely wages for factory workers.
Ni hindi ino kuria augite ati arimi onao ni maria mukagiraga marihi ma bonus ota arimi mashani na kahua arita njira ya kumahura njeki urimi-ini wao.
Vile tunalipa bonus kwa chai katika hii mpango yetu mpya, tunataka tulipe bonus kwa wakulima wa miwa. Ndio mpango tumeweka na mimi nataka niwahakikishie hiyo mpango tutatekeleza na tutakamilisha.
Ruto ni augite ati urimi ni gitugi kia agenda ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza na uguo magwikirira gwĩkĩrĩra urimi na njira nene na njira ya uheani nginya wa fertilizer ya raithi kuri arimi niguo kuibaibia kiondo kia magetha.
Farmers have been able to access subsidized fertilizer from the fertilizer subsidy program as well as animal feed and certified seed more efficiently, more affordably and more transparently. 15 million bags of 50 kilograms of crop and soil specific fertilizers have been distributed.
Harina mangi Ruto augite mekireire urimi-ini ni kwagirithia urimi wa baba, kahua, mashani na undu umwe na mahiu, undu uria ugutigirira nginya bururi-ini wahota gwithondekera iratu cia ngothi kumana na urimi uyu.
We are invested in developing our leather subsector to support competitive export industries supporting many thriving enterprises and households. We made this commitment that shortly we will not be importing shoes from anywhere. We will be wearing our own shoes made in Kenya using our own leather.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bilha Nyagũthiĩ.